how to make ocean in Blender. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So the first thing that we need to do on our Blender is to remove objects right here once we open our Blender. And then once we remove that, the next thing that we need to do is to click Shift A and then add some plane. And then once you do that, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the right screen and then click Modifiers. Once you click Modifier, click Add Modifier right here. And then on the Physics, go and click Ocean. Once you click Ocean, as you can see, we now have this object right here. Now, on the right screen, on the properties of the ocean, we can edit the resolution view to 10. Same goes for the render. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to go here and click the waves and then edit the wave scale however you want it. So let's say, for example, that we want it to look like this. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the time. Once we are now on the time, the first thing that we need to do is to click this keyframe right here. And then once we do that, on this part, on the timeline of Blender, the next thing that we need to do is to drag this into this part right here. Once we do that, the next thing that we need to do is to change the time. Now, let's say, for example, that we want to change it into 15. So click that and then click this keyframe again. And then once we do that, if we play the video, this is what it looks like. Now, if you want to edit it, you can make it a little bit bigger. So you can edit it by just going here on this part and then familiarize yourself right here. So it's up to you. Now, once you're now done with this, so if you want to make some certain changes, you can also do that by just changing the properties right here. But that is basically it. That is how you add ocean in Blender.